welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hey y'all, welcome back. So today we are going to do press-ons again because I've just been obsessed lately, and I thought what better way to take advantage of press-ons by taking some model ones and just putting them on the press-ons. So I am testing out this kit that I got from Amazon. It is a Model Ones collection, and they have a lot of them actually. They have like glitter ones, they have galaxy ones, they have metallic ones, like they have a lot. And this one was one of their cat eye ones. So, and I took advantage of like that sale, the Cyber Monday sale that was going on. So I got that then. And I never tried like their actual gel polishes, so I figured I would go ahead and give them a try. So this kit was about $20. I think that's the original price as well. It's not that bad for 6 different colors, and let me tell y'all, they were really pigmented. I was really surprised. I was very impressed. I did have like some questions about the consistencies of some of them. I think some of them were kind of like really chunky, but I think for the most part, for the price and with the colors, I think it was pretty good. Now this kit comes with 6 different colors, and it also comes with like that little magnet that helps you move around, the magnet on the cat eye one. So first I am testing out this one, and this one's chameleon, and this one's a really pretty blue, and it's actually color changing, and that's something that I really loved about this kit as well. Like every color was different, but it fit with the theme somehow, and I thought that was really cool. This is how it looked like when you put in the light, so I thought that was really pretty. The next one is magnet. Now this one was the cat eye one, so this one was the one that it was like a magnetic gel, and that's where the magnet is very useful. The magnet only works though if you are moving it around before. Now I've had like Savvyland kits that also have these magnets in them, and this one was really fast acting. The Savvyland one that I've had before, it didn't really do much, so I was really impressed with this one. Now I was kind of unsure if all of them were magnet or just that one was magnet, so you do see me like do this for a couple of them because I just wasn't sure, and come to find out it was just that one that was magnet. But a lot of these colors are so beautiful. This one's chameleon. Look how pretty it is. It's so chunky, but I love like it spreads pretty even. I was very shocked. So this one is just like purple, blues, very pretty glitters, and I thought it was a pretty easy application. It wasn't like one of those gels that like you put one layer and no glitter is there. So very impressed. I think that the consistency was a lot thicker than I'm used to, but nonetheless, like it's something that you can work around, and it was really pretty. So look at this one. This one gave me unicorn vibes. Look how pretty. Now this black was so black, and it was so smooth, so velvety, and I just wanted to test it out with this unicorn one, and look how pretty, y'all. Like muy bonito. So these are the 6 colors side by side, and like I said, they're all different, but they all match each other. Like, they all fit the theme. So I thought that was pretty cool. I am going in with rainbow, and I am putting that on my thumb and on my index finger, and you go in with 2 coats and you're curing these in between. You don't want to do 2 coats and not cure. You want to build up the color. So this was really convenient as well, because with 1 coat it would suffice, you know. Other gels, like, tiene que poner como more than like 3 coats, you know. So I was really impressed. I am gonna let y'all enjoy this application process because I think it's pretty self-explanatory, and I think it's very soothing when you're just watching someone do nails. So I will come back with the final thoughts. Y'all, so after I did 2 coats and cured everything, I'm going in with these really pretty stickers from Pearl Glitter Shop. I just purchased from them, and I got a bunch of foils and I'm still trying to figure out. Can y'all tell me how to do this foil life? Like, I just can't seem to get it right. I am gonna get the right tools for it, but I literally bought like 4 boxes and I'm really trying to get into this. So the stickers will have to do for now. So I'm sticking them on my ring and middle finger, sorry. And it's pretty easy. Like, I prefer this over decals any day because these are just stickers. You stick them on, you put a top coat, and you call it a day. I did get these pretty gems and rhinestones from Pearl Glitter Shop as well, and it was on sale because it was Cyber Monday, but y'all, it was so like affordable, regular price. And on top of that, it comes with like 5 different sizes. So I really love that. And I thought that I would get like a different color because I feel like I'm always doing like the same silver, you know, like rhinestones. So I rather get a different color. And look how pretty it went perfect with this look. I placed them just like in random places. I just was really trying to be like very spontaneous, but oh my goodness, look how pretty they came out. I wasn't even trying to do like winter themed, but this definitely gives me winter vibes. So that's how they looked on the press-ons. And then I put them on with some nail glue. You just make sure you prep your nails, push your cuticles back, you know, buff your nail beds, and put some primer and dehydrator, put some nail glue, and these press-ons can really last. I'm sorry if I sound a little nasally. I did have an allergy attack earlier today. But thank you for sitting through this video and watching my creation. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not a part of that DIY Familia, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Make sure you hit that like button, comment down below. I love reading all of your comments. And as always, nos vemos en la próxima.